Okay, this is a part which is irritating everyone. Everyone forgets it, everyone hates it, because this is the reason why we have got into science, because we hate mathematics, but we are again back to mathematics here. Okay, I'm just decoding everything to make it simple for you. Just remember and revise these slides to learn the calculations of local anesthesia. Okay, so we'll start now. 2% lignocaine, they will be calling you 1% lignocaine, 2, 3%, like the most of the times 2 and 3% lignocaine they will be giving. So what is this percentage about? What is this 2% lignocaine? Okay, it means 2000 mg in 100 ml. Okay, so if we take 1 ml of local anesthesia, it contains 20 mg of lignocaine. Okay, I hope everyone got the concept here. If we take 1 ml, it contains 20 mg lignocaine. Okay, the calculation is 2% lignocaine means 2000 mg in 100 ml. Okay, now you will understand very well. See, what is 3% lignocaine means? Follow the above one and fill the answer. Take a pen, paper and fill the answers. I will give you 5 to 10 seconds time so that you will slowly think about it. There is a question like 3% lignocaine contains how much? I will write down the question here. 3% lignocaine contains how much mg of lignocaine in 1 ml of anesthetic? So this is a question for you. So let us decode together. So 3% lignocaine means, okay, 3000 mg, okay, in 100 ml. Okay, in childhood we would have learnt. Okay, see, in 1 ml if you want, what you will do, cancel the 0 here, cancel the 0 here. Okay, so 1 ml contains how much is remaining here? 30 mg of lignocaine. So now you have learnt a important thing. 2% lignocaine means 20 mg of lignocaine, okay, in 1 ml. 3% lignocaine means 30 mg of lignocaine in 1 ml. Okay, I hope you have understood this concept well. Okay, now we will go little ahead. Okay, 1:2 lakh adrenaline means 1000 mg of adrenaline in 2 lakh ml of LA solution. Okay, so 1 ml contains 0.005 mg of adrenaline. What they are showing is like, see, what they are telling is 1000 mg in 2 lakh ml. Okay, so if you want in 1 ml, I have told you, no, cancel 0, 0, 0, cancel 0, 0, 0 here. Okay, so then calculate what is 1 by 200. Okay, so then calculate the value appropriately. So 1:2 lakh adrenaline, okay, we are dealing with adrenaline. Okay, so that is equal to 1000 mg in 2 lakh ml. So I have told you we have crossed the all the zeros. Okay, so then 1 mg, so 1 by 200 in 1 ml equal to 1 by 200. So that equals to what value? 0.005 mg of adrenaline. That is how this is derived. Okay, I hope you understood this. Okay, now we will see. So now what is 1:1 lakh adrenaline? I will give you 5 to 10 seconds time. Okay, maybe longer than that, then I will join with you and I will also calculate it. Okay, I hope everyone understood the previous calculation. So apply the same thing here. Take your pen, paper start calculating. What is 1:1 lakh adrenaline? So, you want a question, I will put a question here. Okay. One is to 1 lakh adrenaline. One ml contains how much mg of adrenaline? So, this is a question. Okay. So, if you see this, now let us calculate it. Okay. 1000 mg in 1 lakh ml of LA solution. 1:1 lakh adrenaline means. I hope everyone got it. Now what we'll do? Let us cross. Let us cross all the zeros. Okay. So we need now for 1 ml. 1 ml. Okay. So what are we doing now? 1 ml means 1 by 100 it is coming. Okay. So 1 by 100 means how much it is? 0.01 mg of adrenaline is present in 1 ml of 1:1 lakh adrenaline. Okay. I hope everyone is clear with this concept. Okay. See this for 5 seconds, then I will change the slide. Okay. So, now we will go ahead slowly. So, there is something known as safe dose of local anesthesia. Okay. Without adrenaline is 300 mg, what they are telling, without adrenaline. Okay. So, how many cartridges of 3% lignocaine can be given for a person without adrenaline? They were asking you. Okay. So, now let us apply what we have learnt in the first one. Okay. What is 3% lignocaine? I will be little slow so that you people speed up and do the calculation. What is 3% lignocaine? So, means 1 ml contains 30 mg of lignocaine, right? Everyone got it? Okay. Now, what he is asking is safe dose of local anesthesia without adrenaline is 300 mg. Okay. So, if safe dose of local anesthesia without adrenaline is 300 mg, how many cartridges of 3% lignocaine can be given, he is asking. Okay. So, in 300 mg, okay, if 1 ml contains 30 mg, how much ml will be 300 mg? It will be 10 ml, right? So, if it is 10 ml is the safe dose, how many cartridges they are asking? Okay, always remember one hard and core rule, each cartridge is 2 ml. Okay, so if each cartridge of local anesthesia contains 2 ml of local anesthetic, then how many cartridges can be given? 5 cartridges. 10 by 2 is how much? 10 by 2 is 5 cartridges can be given. Okay. I hope everyone is clear with this concept. Okay. I will be moving little ahead now. So, you have to apply whatever you have learnt, you have to keep applying. Okay. Then only you will get answers out of it. Okay. So, the next question is how many cartridges of 2% lignocaine can be safely given for a patient without adrenaline? The previous question was 3% lignocaine. Now it is 2% lignocaine. So keep calculating. I will give you 10 seconds. Okay. Then I will start. Or else do one thing. Once I read the question, pause your video, calculate, then again watch my video. That will be very good for you, so that only if you apply your brain in this, then only you can apply your brain in the exam too. Okay, so if it is 2% lignocaine, what is 2% lignocaine means? Now everyone knows very well, 20 mg in 1 ml of local anesthetic, right? So if it is 20 mg in 1 ml of local anesthetic, okay, then what is a safe dose? Safe dose without adrenaline is 300 mg. Okay, so in 300, if 20 mg is there in 1 ml, okay, in 300 mg how much will be there? Okay, just calculate the zeros. 30 by 2 is 15 ml. Okay, so 15 ml means it is equal to how many cartridges? Roughly 7 cartridges. If you consider it as 2 ml each cartridge, then it will be close to 14 ml. So the closest answer will be 7 cartridges. Okay. So I hope everyone got this. Okay, just for few seconds have a look at this, then we'll slowly move on. These things are very important. The theoretical part anyone can answer. This analytical part should be answered in the NEET exam. It will fetch you a lot of marks. Okay, and so there are some important values here. Okay, please read. The safe dose of adrenaline in a healthy patient is 0.2 mg. In a cardiac patient is 0.04 mg. Okay, so how many cartridges of LA with 1:2 lakh adrenaline can be given for a healthy patient and can be given for a cardiac patient? I hope everyone can calculate this for a few seconds. Calculate. So already I have given you here 1000 mg adrenaline in 2 lakh ml of local anesthetic solution is 1 ml contains 0.005 mg adrenaline. Okay. So here 1 ml contains 0.005 mg of adrenaline. So our question is, how many cartridges of LA with 1:2 lakh adrenaline can be given for? Okay, so in a healthy patient, how much they have told safe dose? 0.2 mg. So the next one is, what is the safe dose of adrenaline in a healthy patient? It is 0.2 mg. And safe dose of adrenaline in a cardiac patient, it is 0.04 mg. Based on these values, I am creating a question here. How many cartridges of LA with 1:2 lakh adrenaline can be given? This is a question for a healthy patient and for a cardiac patient. Okay, just think for some time. I've given the calculation down, like I've decoded what is 1:2 lakh adrenaline, because everyone already knows. We have learnt in the previous slides that is 1000 mg adrenaline in 2 lakh ml of LA solution. Okay. In 2 lakh ml of LA solution. Okay. So 1 ml obviously contains how much? 1 ml contains 0.005 mg adrenaline. Okay. So if 1 ml contains 0.005 mg adrenaline, so what is the safe dose of adrenaline in a healthy patient? 0.2 mg in a healthy patient. Okay. So if 0.2 mg is the safe dose in a healthy patient, okay, so how much ml can be given? So x is the ml. So x equal to 0.2 mg by 0.005 mg, right? So that will be around 40 ml. So what is 40 ml equal to? So if in a healthy patient 40 ml can be given, that is equal to 20 cartridges maximum. Okay. So the same way, okay, in the same way I will be discussing in a cardiac patient now. Okay. So if you see in a cardiac patient, what is the safe value in a cardiac patient? 0.04 mg in a cardiac patient. I hope everyone understands this. So what is the x value for us? So how much ml can be maximum given? So 0.04 mg by 0.005 mg is how much for us? It is 8 ml. Okay. If it is 8 ml, how many cartridges can be given? 4 cartridges, right? I think everyone is happy with the numericals now. Okay, everyone has decoded the numerical part little bit. Okay, I think I am fair with the numericals little. Okay, so now we will see how many cartridges of LA with 1:1 lakh adrenaline can be given for a healthy patient and for a cardiac patient. Okay, so if you see for a healthy patient, so for a healthy patient, what is the maximum dose? 0.2 mg. For a cardiac patient, 0.004 mg. Okay, I hope everyone got it. Okay, so this we can calculate as 1000 mg in 1 lakh ml. I hope everyone understands this. Okay, so if you see 1 lakh ml of LA solution, okay, if you see in 1 ml, it will be around 0.01 mg, right? Okay, so basically 1 ml contains 0.01 mg, okay, of 1:1 lakh adrenaline. Okay, so you know what is a safe dose in a healthy patient. Now see what is a safe dose in a healthy patient? 0.2 mg. Okay, so how much ml can be given? 20 ml. Okay, so 20 ml equal to how many cartridges? It will be 10 cartridges. Okay, because each cartridge contains 2 ml. Now same calculation for a cardiac patient. Okay, now let us decode. For a cardiac patient, what is the value? 0.004 mg. Okay, so how much ml can be given for a cardiac patient? If it is 0.004 mg, it is 4 ml. 4 ml equal to how many cartridges? It is 2 cartridges. I hope everyone gets it now. Okay, we have calculated for a cardiac patient, we have calculated for a healthy patient as well. Okay, so let us go ahead, little ahead. Okay, so these are the dilutions. We already have learnt about the dilutions, how it is 1000 mg in 1 lakh solution of adrenaline, everything. So it is available as 1:50,000, it is available as 1:80,000, and 1 is to 1 lakh and 1 is to 2 lakh ml of the solution. Okay. So, if you see the maximum dosages, normal healthy patient 0.2 mg per appointment. Okay. So, patients with clinically significant cardiovascular disease, okay, it is 0.004 mg per appointment. So, that we have already learned. LA with epinephrine, we can give 7 mg per kg body weight and it should not exceed 500 mg. And LA without epinephrine, we have calculated without epinephrine, right, our calculations. You can as well apply to that questions with epinephrine also, and you can do apply yourself. Okay, calculate, change the question and write with epinephrine. Okay, then again calculate, you will get the answers. Okay, so with epinephrine it is 7 mg per kg body weight and it should not exceed 500 mg, and without epinephrine it is 4.4 mg per kg body weight and it should not exceed 300 mg. Okay, so these are the various important things of local anesthesia. Okay, so which of the following is the longest acting local anesthetic? Any guesses, anyone? I hope everyone gets it. Don't get tempted by the first option. It is quite common to get tempted with your first options. Okay, always remember the longest acting local anesthetic in the given options is etidocaine actually. Okay, why? Etidocaine has an action duration of 200 minutes while bupivacaine has 180 minutes. Okay, so they are long acting anesthetics due to their increased protein binding capacity. Okay, this can be a statement as well. Okay, so long acting anesthetics have increased protein binding capacity. So this can be a statement. This is very important one. Okay, this is the ending of the calculations part of the local anesthesia. I hope everyone enjoyed it while doing, and I really hope that everyone understood what and how to calculate the local anesthesia.